Your thoughts on the situation in Nepal and the responsibility that has now been entrusted to you.
Yeah, Genji group, they have did the movement in Nepal, and they have told me that they believe on me, and I can do. Government of short time for the purpose of doing election. They have asked me, and because those boys and girls, young boys and girls, they asked me, they requested me, and I accepted this one.
Congratulations on that, but it's a tough ask. Nepal right now does not have any government. There could be the threat of anarchy. You're somebody who's also long led the fight against corruption. So what will be your immediate focus, ma'am?
Immediate focus is first of all the boys and girls who died in the movement. We have to do something for their sympathy. We have to show also cool their parents who are very much, they are in misery on the demise of their children. And next thing, there are so many their demand. One demand is successful, Prime Minister have resigned. That was the first demand of those people. And the next is they want to remove the corruption from the country. And there are other things, many things, but that can be, the other demand can be successful only in that position when there will be set up the government. But one thing I want to tell you, I was born in 1952. Since then, I have seen the movement of, in 1960 in Nepal. And also one of the movement in 1990. And again the movement in 2006, perhaps. Three movement I have seen. And there is always problem in Nepal, This time is also a problem. We would try to solve the problem after unitedly we will try to work only that. My expectation is that we would do hard work with these young boys and girls and students, with young people. We will try to establish a new environment. That is only our effort.
हाँ, भारत से क्या उम्मीद करती हैं आप? और नेपाल में भी बहुत सारे भारतीय हैं जो अपनी सेफ्टी के लिए थोड़ा चिंतित हैं, तो उनको आप क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, भारत से हम लोगों का रिश्ता आज नहीं है, बहुत दिनों से। और गवर्नमेंट क्या है नेपाल का और नेपाल की गवर्नमेंट से क्या रिश्ता है, वो अलग बात है। लेकिन नेपाल की जनता और भारत के जनता के बीच में इतना अच्छा रिलेशन है कि बहुत अच्छा रिलेशन है। बहुत सारे हमारे रिश्तेदार हैं, बहुत सारे हमारे परिचित हैं, जिनको कुछ हुआ तो हमको आंखों में आंसू आती है। हमें इतना हमारा सद्भाव है, प्रेम है। वो लोग बहुत हम लोग को मानते हैं, प्यार करते हैं, ये हम जानते हैं। हमारे और भारत के बीच में, जनता के बीच में अच्छा संबंध है, हम जानते हैं। और एक्सपेक्ट तो ये है, इंडिया ने, भारत ने सभी समय पर नेपाल को सहयोग किया है, मदद किया है। अब ये बीच में हम लोग बहुत नजदीक हैं, तो एक कहावत है, जब बहुत किचन में वो बर्तन बहुत एक साथ होता है, उसके बीच में कुछ आवाज निकलता है, वही है।